Good morning, all. Today we are going to see how to change the launch icon of a Flutter application, and also how to change the package name of a Flutter application, and how to change the app name of a Flutter application. First, we are going to see how to change the Flutter launch icon, so that we are using Flutter launch icon package, in which we can separately create the icons for iOS, web, and Android, and Windows, and macOS. So we will going to create a Flutter application and show you how we can change the uh, launch icon. We are going to create a Flutter application, and we are going to name it page. So here we have opened a terminal, and we are going to run the application. For that, we can enter the command flutter run, and also we have opened the iOS emulator device. So it's launching. For as we know, for adding a package, we need to add the package name in the pubspec YAML. So we will go to the package page and see, here is the launcher icon package. We can copy this, and actually some other packages we are added to under the dependency thing, and but this package, the launch icons, we will add under the dev underscore dependencies. So come to package, and under this we can add, and it automatically flutter propagating in the package, and then we can add the options for generating launch icon. Copy this and paste it here, and also we need to replace this icon. So let's check, the asset folder is not here, so we will create one assets. And for generating launch icons, we can go to the Android Studio asset studio. Okay, here we can have multiple options: launch icon generator, app shortcut icon generator, and shapeshifter, and a lot of things. Here we can select the launch icon generator. So actually this page is no longer maintained, and the Android changed to icon kitchen. Then we can go to there. Yeah, here we have multiple options to see how the launch icons look like in multiple different devices. So here we have option to clip arts, text and images. So we can select an image, so that uh, drag and drop, downloads. We will see for some logos. Here we have logo. I have placed it here, and here multiple options here. Center, crop, no need to crop. Mask, what, no need of masking. Effect, crop, shadow, cast. Let's check what it is. Padding 0, so it's look nice. So we can put padding 0, and the color is yellow. We can select our green color. It doesn't make any changes, so we can download the assets. So the items will be downloaded, and we will go to our downloads folder. See, yeah, not this. We'll see how to put this icons in our folder. Okay, then we will copy this folder, copy, then downloads. Our project is under YouTube. We will see where is it. YouTube is here, and our application name is change. Where is change? Here it is. Open, then open the asset folder. Then asset folder, we can place folders. So it's all placed. Then go to our YAML file. Then we can add the icons. So assets, inside assets, Android, then Play Store, Play underscore store. Then we need to add the assets here. So we uncomment this, and assets Android search png. Now it's completed. We can remove this one. So what happened? Launch icon, Flutter launch icon. We need to check this. What is the error? So here Flutter, yes, I will say. this is not under this. Now it's look good, and we will save this, then see. Now it's look good. And then we will go to the package page and see what command we need to, and so this is the command we need to run. Copy that and paste it here, so the launcher icon successfully generated. So that's all. Then we will see how it look like. Meantime, we can add something, can change the color. So our color is green, then we will go to change it to green. And we can check. See, the launcher icon came here, and it's look pretty good. Then we will go to our next package, and next thing is change. Before that, we can go to check how to rename an application, so that we can use the rename underscore app package. So this is the most popular package which is used for renaming the app, and we will see how to rename application. Yeah, see, it's a package and it came under the dependency, so we can run this command to run the add the package to our project. We have added 8. Let's see the rename application is package is added here, and we will go to the package and see. So this is the command we need to run. Instead of my app name, we can change with our application name. So after we complete this, we will run and go to the terminal, paste it, and I am going to give the app name as FlutterforGeeks. So enter, finish. Our app name was changed. Let's see. We will run and see how it look like. See, our green color came here, and the app name is also changed, FlutterforGeeks. For changing this name, we have another option, that is we can go to the Android and go to apps, inside there go to source and main, then we will see a page named Android manifest.xml. Open it, and see, here we have inside the application, here we have label, and we can change the label here, so it will also change the app name. And for iOS, we have to go to the p list to update the sorry, this is not the folder. iOS, inside, not that iOS, this iOS. Inside this, runner is there. Inside runner, info.plist is there. Inside this, we can see a key named cf bundle display name. Below that, we have the string value of that key, that is FlutterforGeeks. In the previous, before we run this package, that was a change name. Now it's FlutterforGeeks, so you can also update it from here also. Thank you. Then we will go to the next package. That is how to update the package name of application. So that we have to add the dependency change app package name, so that we can copy this and go to our application, then pub yaml, then we will add insert the dependency under the Flutter launch icon. We added it and save. See what will happen. Yeah, it's working now. And we will go to update dependency. We already updated the dependency. Then we have to run this command. Instead of this com.new.package.name, we have to put our name. Copy this and close the terminal, then paste the thing, and we will going to name our application as home dot flutter for geeks dot articles. So the dependency name also, our package name also updated. All these com dot example dot change name. Right now it is com dot flutter for geeks dot articles. So this is all about our today's session. And if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe and like our video and comment. If you have any doubt related to Flutter and all, you can directly comment on our comment below our videos, and we will definitely do a video about that.